Good day, class. So today our experiment is about projectile motion. So what is a projectile? Now a projectile is an object in motion given with an initial velocity and follows a path entirely due to the effect of gravity and air resistance. So what we have here is our projectile motion apparatus. This is our launcher, and our launcher is calibrated into 90 degrees, from 0 to 90 degrees, because a projectile motion is a two-dimensional motion. Now this launcher here is made up of a cylinder and a spring inside the cylinder, such that when you launch the projectile, no, the projectile will have an initial velocity. So our projectile here is a steel ball, and we have to launch this projectile in 5 different angles, no? 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 75 degrees. And likewise, when we launch this projectile, so it covers the horizontal distance and will be measured correspondingly to each angle by a measuring tape, no? So for instance, so let's say we set this in a 15 degree, or let's say 30 degree angle. So we set this launcher in a 15 degree angle, and we put this projectile, okay. Okay, so the projectile now is inside the launcher, and this is really it is set at a 30 degree angle, no? So when we push the trigger, so the projectile fires at a certain velocity, and therefore there is a corresponding range, no? So we measure the range corresponding to its angle set on the launcher, so 15 degrees, 30, 45, 60, and 75 degrees. So we will take up in every set of, or in every setting of the angle of projection, we call it the angle of projection, we take up 4 trials, no? 4 trials. Okay, so this is how we determine the horizontal range, no? The horizontal range of this projectile fired by this launcher in a given angle of projection. Okay, so we take up, as I've said, we take up 4 different trials, and we take up the average, no? The average horizontal range.